Hello everyone, Southern Pennsylvania WX here, along with Mrs. Clock. Go ahead, Mrs. Clock.
The time is 10:26. The temperature is 62.0 degrees Fahrenheit. The time is 10:26 a.m. The temperature is 62.0 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yes, and that's right. And today it is Christmas Day, so Merry Christmas to everybody. But obviously, as you're seeing this video, it'll be the day after. So I hope you all had a nice Christmas. Anyway, we have another unboxing video to make today. We are going to be unboxing this big jumbo clock. That's right, this thing here, as y'all can see, it's a big digital wall clock. Except here's the problem. Obviously, I have this clock over here and this 519 over here plugged in, so obviously I don't have anywhere to put it. So, we're going to have to share outlets. So, anyway, let's go ahead and see what all this has to offer. So, upon opening the box, we get a few items, which looks like I have to get out manually. Come on out, items. Okay, so it looks like we have the manual first. So there you go, we had the manual first. And then we have what appears to be the mounting brackets. Let me see let me see what this is. Or no, that looks like this would be the clock itself. Yep, looks like this is the clock itself, so let's go ahead and undo it. Wow, it looks like a nice one, that's for sure. What if we at least can get power to it? We can see what it looks like. On the box, it clearly you can see, look like it's multicolored, so we'll see what it looks like when it comes out of here. So, we're slowly unraveling our way out of this packaging. There we go. We're out of here now. So, pardon me for 1 minute. Here we go. So, this is the clock. At least that's what the clock looks like. It's way bigger than the... This is way bigger than the this one over here. Behind the 519. Because that doesn't just show the time. It looks like it'll be showing the temperature, but also the date on it too. So we'll see what it looks like when it shows up. Anyway, let's see what else we got in here. Excuse me. Looks like we got more stuff in here. Alright, is this all this building stuff? Yep, here we go. Here is the power cord. Ooh. Interesting, actually. Oh, and it does come with a remote. Huh. I had no idea. Whoa, this is kind of cool. Okay. Huh. Ooh. Uh-oh. Huh. Use a button cell or a coin battery. That's crazy. Okay, so I will be sure not to eat it. So anyhow, I know y'all can't see me unravel this thing, unfortunately. There we go. A little bit. I'm getting a little bit off of it each time. So here's a remote that comes with the clock here. This is actually, honestly pretty interesting. Ooh, what's the volume for? Huh. Oh, actually, I think it's this way. It's held this way. That's interesting. Minus, plus, okay. I guess this thing's controlled by a remote. Light. Oh, DST. Okay. Huh. I'm gonna have to make a video about this, that's for sure. I'll have to make a video about this and a backlight. Okay. This, I'm gonna have to say, this is interesting. There's alarm 1. Alarm 2. Or no, that's alarm 1. Stuff like that. 12 and 24 hour time. That's cool. Time set. So I guess we don't have any physical buttons on the back. Oh, we do. I felt something back here. Oh, we do have buttons on the back. Or on the side, actually. Okay, so we can just manually do it, too. There's buttons over here, too. Huh. Is there any on this side? Nope, no buttons on that side. Okay. This is all pretty interesting. So this is where it would melt to the wall. You have that and that to be able to mount it to the wall, which I'm not able to do yet. But anyway, I take it this is the melting bracket. Oh, actually, no, it's the electric thing. Excuse me. Hello. There we go. So this is the electric cord thing. Okay, that's pretty interesting. And these are the mounting brackets for it. So, excuse me, sorry about that. Very interesting. So, it looks like all I really need to do is just somehow figure out how to undo the cord, and then we can possibly test it. Let's just go ahead and see where the power cord would go into. Not there. I don't think it would go in there. It's probably down here. No? I don't think it would go down there, so I guess I might have to choose it. Click it until it fits or whatever. Honestly, not sure where it goes. I would assume it would go in down there. Let me see if it would fit. Let me see if that thing would fit into there really quickly before I do anything else to it. Let me see if this fits in that little thing right there. I want to see if this thing fits into it. No, it doesn't look like that's where it would go. That's the wall mounting bracket. So where does it go? Here? Maybe it goes in here. Nope, it doesn't go in there. Okay, I have no idea where this thing plugs in at. Huh. This is really at all strange. Huh, it doesn't go in there. Maybe it goes in is there a thing at the bottom of it? Or at the side? No. Huh. This is really interesting, y'all. I've never had a clock like this before. So it's got to be plugged in somewhere back here. Has to be somewhere back here, does it? Somewhere back here it's got to do it. Maybe it's up in there. I just want to see really quickly where it would go. Oh, it fits in there, so maybe that's where it gets it from. Okay, we'll try that when we plug it in. Okay, so anyway, let's go ahead and let me unravel this stuff. I hate when cords do this. I hate when companies do this with their cords. To be honest with you, y'all, I hate when companies do this. Yes, y'all can see a preview of what we're unboxing soon, too. So anyway, looks like I might have to pause the video, or at least lean y'all right there. The hell? Okay, we're back. I don't know what the heck happened there. I don't know why it cut. Really? You ruined the unboxing. Okay, great. Thank you. Anyway, as we continue this unboxing, my phone's having problems. It's randomly recording. It's randomly stopping the recording, and the storage is not even near full. Like literally, this storage is not even near full, and it's somehow cutting the recording. I don't get it. Anyway, I'm going to move these suitcases over here for now, and I am going to move the big clock there for now. And for a little bit, I think this clock is going to be out of service. So, I guess we get to say goodbye to this clock for a little bit. So, goodbye, big clock. Alright, so this clock will be out of service. There's my new Maryland flag. I'll show that sometime later. So, anyway, this clock will be out of service for a little bit. So, we can just hang out down here. And now, before I forget, I need to plug in the cord that goes along with it. So, anyway, let's go ahead and, where is the other end of this plug where the cord has to go into? Aha, here it is. I know y'all can't see this very well, but anyway, here we go. It's probably not going to be easy for me to do this on one hand. Oh, come on. Alright, let's see if this thing will stop this time if I do this. There we go. I have no idea if you even saw that, but... Okay, good. It didn't cut this time. Okay. Let's go ahead and test the clock, shall we? We'll see if we have anything like that. Maybe we can test it a little bit and see what it does. So anyhow, let's go ahead and get the clock and we'll see if we can do it. Alright, let's get this thing and we'll see if we can test it and see what happens. We'll see. I mean, I'm gonna have to have the remote over here. I wonder if it talks. Maybe it talks. So anyway, here we go. We're about to plug it, plug this thing in and bring it to life. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it's upside down. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, looks like it is a green clock. That's pretty cool. So I guess what the heck does this, the buttons on the left do? Let me see what the buttons on the left do. So there is the minus button, 12 hour, the plus button. Oh, here we go. Plus button is 10 a.m. And then it is currently, what does the 519 say? 10:34. So we'll set this to 10:35. Oh, it timed out. Here we go. Okay. It is 2025 so far. And then it is December 25th. Alright, there you go, y'all. So there is the time and date for this clock. And I have no idea where I'm going to put this one. But the numbers are green right now, but it looks like I can change the color if I want to. Let's see if I can... Ah, I can just do that for now. So there we go. That looks cool. But anyway, there you have it. And then, I guess the remote over here. Y'all are wanting to see that. Where did I put it? Anyway, here it is. I guess this does the, excuse me. So I guess if I hold this, the 12 and 24H, I guess if I point at it, it'll... It don't do nothing. Maybe because the 519's in the way or something. Might be that, but I don't know. Oh. That might be why. I might need to put this little tab out. Maybe this is the battery tab. Ah. There we go. Maybe that's why I didn't do anything. Oops. Okay. Let's try it again then. So if I press the 12 and 24 hour button now, this should go in 12-hour time. Yep, there it is. See, look at that. Now it is in 12-hour time. Now it's in 24-hour time. Now let's see what happens if I do. What does the minus button do? Nothing. The plus button. Nothing. Okay. Let's see what this does. What does this do? Oh, it's the alarm. I don't want that. Oh. Oh, it's a timer. Oh, cool. Okay, so it's a timer. That's what that does. Huh. That's cool. So, is that the minus button? Is it? Okay. That's interesting. Okay, so. That's cool. So, anyway. The question is, what does the bottom right do? None of these buttons do anything. Oh, okay, so I can change the color with this button right here. So this button right here, I can change the color with it. So I have blue. There's pink. There's another pink. This would be pretty cool during severe weather. I could put the numbers on whatever risk we're under. So this would probably be a slight risk. It would be a moderate risk. This would be nothing. That'll be it. Oh, okay, now it changes. Oh, wow, look at that. There you go. And then all sorts of colors at once. So we have rainbow colors, and we're back to greens. We have marginal. We have blue right there. And we have high risk. And then we've got another pink. And this will be probably used for slight risk, since that's the closest I have, and it'll be moderate risk. And I guess it will have to be mixed as. Oops, now I have to go back. Because it was powered on green. So today is Christmas, so we'll put it on green for Christmas. Alright, let's see what this button does. The middle button. Oh. Oh, it dims it. Or no? Okay, off. What did it turn on? Oh, that's a night light? Is that what it does? I guess that's a night light. Huh. Okay. So I guess that's a night light. Let's see what this button does. What does this do? Oh, that's the brightness. Okay. Oh, and you can turn it completely off. Okay. So that's cool. And this one. I wonder if the timer's still running, actually. Oh, okay, so this button here. This button does the DST. So I guess if I turn it on. It's going to say auto DST, so I guess it'll do it on its own. It looks like the alarm's on, so I'm going to find a way to turn it off, because I don't want that going off at night. This, like I said, it is a 5-minute timer. And then it's just going to go back and count time back again. Let's see what this does. Light doesn't do anything, it appears. Okay. And like I said, the plus minus don't do anything. And then let's see, the OK doesn't really do anything. And then here is where it gets interesting. Here's one of the alarms. Okay, it doesn't appear to do anything. Okay. Did this thing just die? Here's the alarm. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. This is the alarm on and off. So this one here. This second to left right here, where it says, oh, you can't really see it. I can really only bring it so close, but anyway, that can do this. So you can turn on oh, what the heck did I just do? Oh, here we go. The alarm is on. Now it's off, so it won't go off now. And then the other alarm, except for 11 a.m., looks like. Oh, you can even set a date with it? That's cool. So I don't want that on, so we're going to turn it off. No. We're going to turn that one off. We're going to cancel that one too. And then the top middle. Oh, you can set the clock. That's where you go to set the clock and a date and a time. So there you have it. And then this one on top right. That's the other alarm. Okay. Okay, so we're going to cancel that. Actually, I don't even think it's on. Is the alarm on? The second one is. Huh? Oh, oops. Anyway, let's see here. There we go. Now that's both canceled. But anyway, there you have it. I do really hope that y'all have enjoyed this very interesting clock that I have unboxed. It's been very interesting using this little remote. Anyway, I do really hope that you all are having a Merry Christmas, or had a Merry Christmas, since y'all will be seeing this video the day after. Anyway, I do really hope that you have enjoyed, and that will be it.